Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today we're back in Medellin in the neighborhood of San Lucas. Today I have a special property to show you. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. It's a corner garden unit with a nice size patio. This unit is perfect if you wanted to do a renovation, although right now it's turnkey. I actually have a friend that's living in this apartment, but he wants to sell it and move to a townhouse. So let's go take a look at this unit. All right, here we go. So as I said, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. Has a really nice deck outside and fairly modern kitchen. So it could be sold with the appliances or without. I will put the price and the specifications at the end screen as always. Has a really nice double stack washer and dryer. As you can see, a nicely sized living room. This unit actually belongs to a friend of mine who wants to move to a 2-story townhouse. But this is just a single level garden corner unit patio apartment, as I said, with 3 bedrooms. Let's take a look outside. So this is perfect for a retired person, retired couple who values tranquility. My friend says the birds come here every morning for feeding. And he's got a little table set up here, as you can see. And so, as you can see here, this was actually open at one time, and it could actually be opened again. And the doors could be moved to this area right here, and this whole area could be recaptured as a bigger patio if that's what you want. But right now, as you can see, he's got his little workspace set up right here. And the advantages of this area, as I said, in San Lucas, is very quiet. It's actually considered Campestre, but the area here is on the edge of San Lucas, so people refer to it as San Lucas. But the actual neighborhood, technically, is called El Diamante, which borders on San Lucas. All right, let's take a look at the principal bedroom. Again, nice green view, as you can see outside there. Originally, he was going to do a renovation, but he was a little tired, so he decided just to leave it as is. It's got a ensuite washroom here, as you can see. A shower area. And a space for clothes. Small walk-in closet. If this was my place, I would probably combine 2 bedrooms into one and create a bigger washroom area. So right over here is the social washroom. complete with shower. And then plenty of light in this unit. You've got the second bedroom here. This could be an office space. And on to the third bedroom. This one opens up or looks out to the garden patio, as you can see. But what I envision, and I'm sure other people might say the same, is to combine two of the bedrooms together. Possibly these two here into one big master. And then back here you actually have, I didn't mention it, but there's actually a technically fourth bedroom. Well, they call it a service area here. So kind of like a utility room, as you can see. And then just off of this service room is the service area washroom. So this could be actually a social washroom also, complete with a shower. And there's more storage, and then there's your laundry sink right here. And again, this place is turnkey as it is, but I'm sure if it was myself, I would be updating this apartment. But it's a very nice space, approximately 125 square meters. Let's take one last look at the living room here. And the kitchen. But as I said earlier, the great thing about this apartment is the zone it's in. One of the safest, nicest areas by the golf course, really close, walkable to San Lucas Plaza. It is also walkable downhill, and you go through the beautiful botanical parks to get there. Is Sao Paulo Plaza, which has a huge Caruja grocery store and medical clinics and cafes. And then from here, you're only about a 5-minute drive to Mall Santa Fe and Mall Oviedo. And from here, you're about a 12-minute drive, 12 to 15 at the most, to Mall Viva. Right here, you're on the border of Medellin, or Poblado, and Envigado. So you're really close, very central to everything. But again, one of the features of this neighborhood is it's very quiet, very safe. All right, this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and before we go, I'm going to put in a little bit of B-roll here to show you what's in the neighborhood.